We all love the cutting-edge features in our latest gadgets, but have you ever wondered why that new phone or laptop comes with an increasingly hefty price tag? It's often because of a silent, powerful force: artificial intelligence. At the heart of every AI-powered device lies specialized hardware. Think of powerful graphics processing units or GPUs and other dedicated AI accelerators. These are not your average chips. They are engineering marvels designed for intense computational tasks. Manufacturing these advanced chips is incredibly expensive and complex. It requires state-of-the-art facilities, specialized materials, and a highly skilled workforce, all contributing to a higher base cost for the components. The global demand for these specialized components has surged. With every tech company vying to integrate AI into their products, the competition for a limited supply of these advanced chips drives prices even higher. Beyond the hardware itself, training large AI models requires immense computational power. These models are often trained in massive data centers, consuming staggering amounts of electricity and requiring constant cooling. Developing and refining AI algorithms is a highly specialized field. It demands brilliant minds in machine learning, data science, and advanced programming, and these experts command premium salaries.
Check out this new smart speaker. It anticipates my needs, learns my routines, and even composes ambient music based on my mood.
Alex said, highlighting the device's advanced AI capabilities. Integrating such intelligent features directly adds value and naturally cost to consumer technology.
Wow, that's quite a price tag. Does it do my laundry too?
Maya said, reacting to the elevated cost.
I suppose all those smart features don't come cheap. It really does make a difference, though, having it integrate so seamlessly.
Maya commented, acknowledging the perceived value. The competitive landscape fuels an AI arms race. Companies pour billions into AI research and development to stay relevant and competitive, passing these immense costs onto consumers through higher product prices. The environmental and financial cost of AI's energy consumption is another significant factor. Training and running these complex models requires continuous, high-volume electricity, driving up operational costs that are ultimately reflected in product pricing. The war for top AI talent is fierce. Companies are willing to pay astronomical salaries to attract and retain the best AI engineers and researchers. This talent premium is then factored into the overall cost of their AI-enhanced products. Beyond hardware, AI also introduces new software licensing and service costs. Many companies rely on third-party AI frameworks, cloud AI services, or specialized AI software, all of which come with recurring fees. When you tally up the cost of specialized hardware, extensive research and development, substantial energy consumption, premium talent, and software licensing, you start to see why AI-powered tech comes at a premium. For consumers, this translates directly into a higher price point for our favorite gadgets. The incredible capabilities of AI come at a cost we increasingly bear with every new purchase. However, innovation doesn't stand still. Researchers are constantly working on more energy-efficient AI models and cheaper, more powerful hardware. The hope is that as AI matures, its widespread adoption will also bring down its operational costs. So, the next time you marvel at your device's intelligence, remember the complex web of factors that contribute to its price. AI is not just making our tech smarter, it's also making it significantly more expensive. But perhaps, for now, that's the price of progress. Welcome to the tech paradise. What innovation will you take home today? Remember, our latest products are smarter and, yes, a little pricier, but innovation never comes cheaply. As we navigate through this tech wonderland, we carry the hope that the future holds even greater breakthroughs, ones that bring balance between cost and advancement, making premium technology accessible to all. Whether you're an early adopter or a cautious consumer, the digital revolution is unwinding right here, right now. And together, we're living at the forefront of a rapidly advancing world.